4 by 4 magic square. As we said in a previous video, magic square is a square of arrays whereby the sum of entries in each of the rows are equal, and this is true for the sum of each of the columns as well as the main diagonals of the magic square. So let us look at an example here. Form a 4 by 4 magic square for the values ranging from 1 to 16. So since we're starting from 1 to 16, then this is a standard magic square, right? And the 4 by 4 magic square is a square array of 4 rows. The first 4 stands for rows, and then the second 4, this 4 stands for what? Columns. So it is 4 rows, 4 columns. 4 by 4 solution. So let us look at how it is going to be done. So we have our magic square array like this, and as you can see, we have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Okay, and then our columns, we have column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. And we have 4 entries or 4 smaller squares in each of the rows, the columns, as well as the forward diagonal and the backward diagonal. Okay, now the values that we are going to arrange in these boxes such that the summation of each of the rows and the columns as well as the main diagonals are going to be equal are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we're going to arrange these numbers in these squares such that the summation of each of the rows, columns, and the diagonals are going to be equal. So the 4 by 4, we have a lot of ways of doing it, but let us look at one of the simplest way. Okay, now the first thing that I want us to do is that let us indicate our diagonals. So maybe I'll use some I will use some dots to indicate the diagonals. Okay, so indicate your diagonals. So we have a backward diagonal, then a forward diagonal. Okay, right. So after indicating your diagonals this way, what we're going to do next is we're going to just start the calibration by writing the values that we have here in the spaces where we cannot find a dot, right? You know, we use a dot to indicate the diagonals. So we're going to start from here, the first one here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're just going to write them inside, but take note, where there is a dot, the number we're going to count, but we will not write that number. Okay, so let's start. We have 1 here, right? You know, our first digit is 1, so we're going to have 1, but we will not write a 1 because of the dot. 2, so we're going to write a 2. 3, we write a 3. 4, there is a dot, we're not going to write a 4, right? But we come here. 5, there is no dot, we write 5. 6, there is a dot, we didn't write anything there. 6, there is a dot, right? 7, there is a dot, we didn't write anything. Then 8, there is nothing, we write 8. 9, there is nothing. 10, there is a dot. 11, there is a dot. 12, there is nothing, alright. 13, there is a dot. 14, there is nothing, so I write 15, there is nothing in that box or square, then I write 15. Then 16, okay, 16, you see there is a dot here, so I don't write anything. Now once I'm done writing them this way, Let us look at how it was done. You just have 1, but because of the dot we didn't write anything here, right? 2, 3, 4, because of this we didn't write anything. 5, 6, because of this dot we didn't write. 7, we didn't write. 8, we write. 9, 10, because of this dot we didn't write. 11, because of the dot we didn't write. 12, 13, because of the dot we didn't write. 14, 15, 16, because of the dot we didn't write. See, after you're done with the calibration this way, then the spaces left, that is the diagonal, that's what we're going to fill next. So let me clean all the dots that we had. Okay, let's clean all our dots. Okay, so what we're going to do next is to fill these dots. Okay, now to fill the dots, you see we started counting from here. This time around, what we're going to do is that we're going to start counting from this side. Okay, we're going to start counting from here, and we're going to start from 1 again, right? So we have 1, and you see there's nothing there. Because there's nothing there, that's why I'm writing the 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, so the 6, there's nothing there, then write 6, 7, there's nothing, 7, 8, 9, 10, so 10, there's nothing here, right? 11, 12, 13, there's nothing here. 14, 15, 16. Okay, and you see that's all we're done with the fill out. Let us check if indeed it is true what we've done. The summation of each of the rows are going to be true. Now you see the first one we have 16. We're going to check the first row. 16 plus what? Plus 2, that's going to be what? 18. Okay, 18 plus 3, 21, plus 13, that's going to give you what? 34. Now again we have 5 plus 11 plus 10 plus 8, which is also 34. Let us check the third row. 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 12, 34. Now let's look at the last row. 4 plus 14 plus 15 plus 1, that's also 34. So the rows, each of them we had 34. Now let's check the column. The column 2, we do have 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5, that's going to give us 21, right? 21 plus 9, 30 plus 4, that's 34. So 2 plus 11 plus 7 plus 14, that's also 34. Then here 3 plus 10 plus 6 plus 15, 34. 13 plus 8 plus 12 plus 1, 34. So the columns of each of them we have what? 34. Now the diagonals, let's check the two diagonals. 13 plus 10 plus 7, that's going to give us 30. And 30 plus 4, 34. Okay, now let us check here too. We have 16 plus 11 plus 6 plus 1, 34. Okay, 34. Now you see each of the rows gave us what? 34. The sum of each of the columns also gave us 34, and the diagonals too, they gave us 34. So that's all. Very easy. Very easy and friendly. If you find this video interesting, you subscribe to the channel for more of such